Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to delete safely your Windows old folder on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your C drive is almost getting full again and again, and if you want to free up your space by deleting your old Windows file, then I will show you how to do this. As you can see, it is only around 25 GB free of space. So you can start this process by deleting the old file by opening disk cleanup. Just you have to click on this search, then type here disk cleanup. As you can see, disk cleanup, just click on this to open. Select your Windows drive, then click OK. Then click on clean up system files. Then click OK. In this, you need to scroll down. In my case, I had already deleted, so it's not showing here. In your, if you are finding Windows older folder, then you have to just select, then click on OK. After that, just close this window and you can check your C drive. You will be freed some of this space. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete your old update files of your Windows on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.